Little Jumbo Kids TV.
Hi friends! Let's learn about our body parts today. This is my head. It is part of my body, and I can use it to think and learn every day.
Open wide. Look around. Eyes help us see around. 1, 2, 3. Sniff, sniff. This is your nose. Left ear, right ear. Listen close, my dear.
This is my mouth. Can you say mouth with me, mouth? It is so much fun to learn new words together. Look at my tongue. It is right here, so cute and pink. Look at my teeth. See how white they are today. This is my arm. It helps me reach, play, and wave hello to all my new friends today. Look at my little hand. See how I move my fingers. It is so much fun to learn new things today. Look at this shoulder here. It is a shoulder. And we
Tap your chest. Hear the beat. Heart goes thump thump. Feel the heat. Left leg, right leg, stomp and run. Legs take us places, hop fun.